This video will show how to install and customize the InsureShield app block to allow you to easily enable coverage as a Shopify user. Navigate to your online store and click on your Themes page. On your chosen theme, click the Customize button. Click the catalog page at the top of your store, select a product, and add it to your cart. Click on the cart icon to view your cart page. Click App Block within your subtotal section. Search InsureShield within the Apps section and select your preferred version. Move the app block above the subtotal price. Click Save. Navigate to the Apps page and click the InsureShield app. On the yellow modal in the middle of your My Accounts page, click the checkbox to confirm that you added the InsureShield Protection app block and click Submit. After you have pressed Submit, you will receive a message stating whether the code has been properly installed. Navigate back to the Themes page of your Shopify store and click View Your Store. Add an item to your cart and view your checkout cart. You will see the InsureShield consumer display above your checkout button.